Health Tips by Shaji present. Informative video for you.
17. Gut-healthy, high-protein lunches for better blood sugar. If you're looking to manage poor gut health symptoms like fatigue or headaches and improve your blood sugar levels, these high-protein lunch recipes are ideal. Each meal is low in saturated fat and sodium, following a diabetes-friendly diet. They include gut-healthy ingredients like beans, onions, and leafy greens, with at least 15 grams of protein to keep you full and nourished. Try recipes like our black bean queso wraps or farro salad with arugula, artichokes, and pistachios for tasty and healthy lunches. 1. Avocado, tomato, and chicken sandwich. In this healthy chicken sandwich recipe, mashed avocado creates a creamy, healthy spread. 2. Creamy pesto chicken salad with greens. This variation on creamy chicken salad replaces half the mayonnaise with basil pesto. Serve over greens or as a sandwich. 3. Farro salad with arugula, artichokes, and pistachios. Pre-cooked farro makes this dish quick to prepare and minimizes cleanup since you can mix it in the serving bowl. 4. Chicken and cucumber pita sandwiches. With yogurt sauce. Cucumbers add refreshing flavor and crunch to this Greek-inspired chicken pita with a quick cucumber yogurt sauce. 5. Shrimp salad with peanut dressing. Applesauce in the peanut dressing adds a sweet, tart flavor that pairs wonderfully with shrimp. 6. Sweet potato, kale, and chicken salad with peanut dressing. These hearty kale salads last for 4 days, perfect for meal prep lunches. Dress the salad and add peanuts just before serving. 7. Smoked salmon salad. Nicosia. This twist on the classic Nicosia salad uses smoked salmon instead of tuna and adds extra vegetables. 8. Black bean queso wraps. Easy wraps filled with black beans, corn, red pepper, and creamy queso, quickly cooked in a panini press. 9. Chicken, quinoa, and veggie bowl. This one-dish meal has 19 grams of protein to keep you full and satisfied for hours. 10. Spicy slaw bowls with shrimp and edamame. A 10-minute spicy cabbage slaw serves as the low-carb base for this veggie-packed lunch, topped with high-protein edamame and shrimp. 11. Cheesy chipotle cauliflower mac. Pureed cauliflower is mixed into the creamy cheese sauce in this comforting skillet pasta. 12. Lentil burgers. Vegan lentil burgers accented with walnuts and fresh marjoram, served with whole grain mustard and roasted sweet potato wedges. 13. Beef and bean. Sloppy Joes. A healthier version of the classic, using beans to increase fiber and reducing sugar and ketchup to cut 12 grams of added sugar. 14. Vegan superfood grain bowls. This nutrient-packed grain bowl comes together in 15 minutes using pre-washed baby kale, microwavable quinoa, and pre-cooked beets. 15. Strawberry balsamic arugula. Salad. A fruity green salad with chicken featuring sweet strawberries, peppery arugula, tangy feta, and a balsamic vinaigrette dressing. 16. Make-ahead spinach and black bean burritos. Egg, bean, and cheese burritos designed for freezing and perfect for busy days, suitable for breakfast or lunch. 17. Pulled chicken and pickled veggie wraps. Colorful chicken wraps with marinated radishes, onions, and carrots for a salty crunch and extra vegetables. These high-protein lunches are designed to support gut health and blood sugar management while being delicious and satisfying.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.